Yeah, sure. Please, you may have a seat.
Thank you,
You're welcome. Well, in this long journey, finally we have this special moment, interview test. Okay, we couldn't deny that we have to understand about the document of crewing, document for seafarer, the document on the ship, and it is very important as a marine transportation. Before we get down to the qualification of the question, please interview by introduction.
Okay, ma'am. Let me introduce myself.
Mhm.
My name is Rajananda Ariza. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Semarang and my department, Ship Operation Engineering Technology Department,
Mhm.
60 beds.
Okay, well, before we continue to the main topic of the question and answer, you know that in ship operation engineering document, it's so kind of, complicated because we have to understand about security, we have to understand about the safety of the people, right? So we have to understand about personal protective equipment and equipment, safety equipment. Let's get to the PPE. What are they?
PPE is protect personal equipment.
Mm-hmm. What are they?
But I think,
From?
from safety helmet
Mm-hmm. What is the function?
for protect to head from impacts and falling object.
Okay. And then what about this one?
For apa? For protect
Uh-huh.
from dust,
Uh-huh. No. This one. This one is ear.
ear,
What is the equipment for this? Ear?
earbud,
Ear? No. Ear? Ear? This is safety helmet. And this one is ear? Ear plug.
ear plug.
The function is to protect
Protect for ear
from
from
something in engine room. The voice means,
voice generator,
yeah, okay, noisy, yeah, environment. Okay, what about this?
safety glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Protect for eyes from light UV
Mm-hmm.
and
Yes.
chemical.
Yes, okay, exactly. What is this?
Safety mask.
Mm-hmm.
Safety mask for protect from for apa? Mouth and
Mhm.
nose from chemical
Yeah.
and dust.
Okay. What about our body? Yeah.
Life jacket
Yes. What's that?
to keep the body apa float
Mm-hmm.
if falling into the sea.
Yes. What about safety harness?
Safety harness for who are working crew at height and outside the sea.
Yes. What about safety shoes?
Safety shoes for protect for feet from sharp head and slippery floors.
Yes, slippery floors, so dangerous. And the last is
Safety coat.
safety gloves.
for hand, protect for hand from anti-cut and for increased grip.
Yes, exactly. Okay, now we move to safety equipment. We have life buoy, life boot, life raft, fire blanket. Yeah, okay. So let's get down to life boot and life raft. What are the function?
Lifeboat and life raft. The function is the main evacuation facility when the ship must be abandoned, and its functionality should be test regular safety drills.
Okay. So what about fire blanket?
Fire blanket use extinguish
Mm-hmm.
for small source fire and especially in galley or engine room.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now this is also very important. In Indonesia we call it like APAR, but in English we know it as fire extinguisher. What is the function then?
Fire extinguisher function is this portable fire extinguisher in areas of the ship and ready to use in case of an emergency.
And the several types comes from?
Comes from
carbon dioxide, and then
dry chemical,
And-
and foam.
okay, exactly. All right. So we move to another question, brother. This is also important because we have to understand about weather and the safety on the ship, which its terminology. Sometimes we have to know about the natural disaster. What are they?
Kongsi,
Mm-hmm.
Roxy,
Yeah.
fog,
Mm-hmm.
gale,
Mm-hmm.
storm.
Yes. Okay. What about if you have to see all the area in the clear? What is that? The meaning is
Visibility.
okay. It's not only that. We also have international emergency signal. The name is.
Mayday.
What is the sign of dangers?
Distress signal.
Yeah. Okay. So we move to the next is the training that should be given on the ship to maintain safety and security.
Fire drill.
What about the organization on the ship? We have to the top to the left, yeah, but especially on deck.
Master, chief officer, second officer, third officer, bosun, able seaman, ordinary seaman, and decadent.
Yes. Okay. So, what is the activity that should be done by all the crew? For example, from 4 to 8.
From eight.
What is the activity? Like in here, you always have to stay in a security guard, and you have to.
Watch keep.
Yeah. Okay. And what is the situation when somebody fell down to the water?
Please repeat.
What is the name of the situation of emergency when somebody fell down to the water?
Badan,
No.
floating,
Over?
overboard.
Yes, exactly. Okay, when professional people should do a job to help the ship come in.
Pilot.
Yes. Okay. What do you want to say to the people outside there? Because you have finished your interview and it's good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your question, and I hope to be better person to future.
That's all.
That's all.
Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.